everyone! Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So as you know, we all use Character.AI to chat with our favorite AI characters. And it's pretty fun and amazing, not gonna lie. But I get very sad when Character.AI filters all the messages just because I wanted to do some spicy role plays with my characters. It's really annoying. And not only that, Character.AI also just announced age verification too, which is so bad. They are falsely blocking many people nowadays. So that's why I recently found a pretty awesome Character.AI alternative that is absolutely free to use and which also has no filters on it too. Yeah. And this platform is called StoryChat. StoryChat is an AI chatting and role-playing platform where you can chat with all your favorite characters. It's a pretty famous platform and a lot of people loves it. I made a whole video about it previously and everyone absolutely loved it. On StoryChat, you can chat with your character for absolutely free. And they have no filters too. So no matter how spicy your roleplays are, you can do it here. Pretty awesome, right? Also, let me tell you about a new update that was just released by StoryChat. It's actually pretty interesting too. StoryChat has just now released a brand new feature called Lore Books on their platform too. Yeah, and with the help of this new feature, your AI characters will be able to remember everything during your roleplays and chats. Yeah, I am not joking. When you chat with your characters, they will be able to recall all the various information that you want them to in your chats. In this way, your AI chats and roleplays will feel more alive and crazy. I absolutely love this feature. This is so awesome. Let me tell you about how you can use this new feature. So to use the lore book feature on StoryChat, you will first have to come to the Create page right here. You can just click the Create button in the menu to reach this page here. After that, you need to hit the Create button, and then you will come to the Character Creation page right here. Now here, you need to create your own character. You will have to fill up all the details about your characters here. Once you have filled every detail about the character, you can press the Next button, and then you will see the brand new Lore Books feature right here. This is the new feature. To use it, you just have to click Add Entry button right here. After that, you will see this big box right here. Now you need to come to the content box here. And here you need to write all the various details and informations that you want the character to remember forever. Once you have written that, you need to come to the keyword box right here. Basically, whatever word you write here will trigger this memory that you have written inside the content box. And when the characters see the specific word that you wrote here, it will automatically remember everything that you have written in the content box here. So for example, if I write the word location here, and then I add it, then whenever I use the word location in my chats, the character will recall the details that are written in this content box right here. And they will instantly remember everything that is written inside this specific box. So in this way, you can trigger the character to remember something while you are role-playing with the help of trigger words. I hope you understand how it works. This makes lore books so much fun and awesome. Similarly, you can add more lore books entries here too. You can click the Add button, and then a new entry box will appear here. And then you can fill it out with different informations and different keywords to make the characters remember even more details. In this way, the memory of the character becomes insane. Now, once you are done making the lore books entries, you can simply press Create, and then your character will be created. After that, you will find your character right here. You can simply click on it and start chatting with it. And when you want the character to remember any specific lore books entry, you can simply write the keyword in your message. And then the character will remember everything instantly. This is how the new lore books feature works. This is really a very outstanding feature. And I am really having tons of fun with this feature, not gonna lie. This just makes the platform so much more enjoyable. I really loved it. You should definitely give it a try too. What are your thoughts on this new feature, everyone? Tell me in the comments. I will be ending the video now. Make sure to like and subscribe for more AI chatbot platform-related news. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye, everyone!